Welcome investors! Today we'll continue talking about my favorite stocks. Stocks which I bought last year and I will keep it for next 15 years. This stock which we are gonna be talking about is a pure money maker, like Disney stock, waste management stocks which we were talking before. I had a chance to buy this stock at really good price, and right now I'm just watching this stock going up. I don't have to really do anything with this stock. It is just growing and growing. I have small position, couple $1,000s. It is a real trophy and I really enjoy watching this stock growing. In the second part of this video, I'll reveal my holdings. So if you are interested, keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Archer-Daniels-Midland Company produces, transports, stores, processes and distributes agricultural commodities, products and ingredients in United States and internationally. The company operates through the three segments: agricultural services and oilseeds, carbohydrates, solutions and nutrition. It produces, stores, cleans and transports agricultural raw materials such as oilseeds, corn, wheat, milo, oats and barley. The company also engages in agricultural commodity and feed product imports, export and distribution, and structured trade finance activities. In addition, it offers vegetable oils and protein meals, ingredients for the food and industrial customers, crude vegetable oils, salad oils, margarine, shortenings, and other food products, and partially refined oils to produce biodiesels and glycogen for use in chemicals, paints, and other industrial products. Further, the company provides peanuts, peanuts-derived ingredients, and cotton cellulose pulps, sweeteners, corn and wheat starches, syrup, glucose, wheat flour, dextrose, alcohol, and other food and animal food ingredients, ethanol, alcohol, ethanol, corn, gluten, feed, and meals. Additionally, the company provides natural flavor ingredients, flavor systems, natural colors, proteins, emulsifiers, soluble fibers, and natural health and nutrition products, including probiotics, enzymes, and botanical extracts, and other specialty food and food ingredients, edible beans, formula feeds, and animal health and nutrition products. As you can see, the company is a real powerhouse in the food industry. The company was founded in 1902 and is headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. And as of today, company market cap is $32 billion. Debt of the company is $11 billion. Cash on hand is $727 million. Enterprise value is $42 billion. Almost 80% of the stock of the company is owned by institutions. And there is a really steady growth of dividends for past 25 years. So let's take a look at the revenue and net income of the company for past 5 years. As of today, April 8, 2021, stock of the Archer-Daniels-Midland Company is $58.14, and the revenue of the company for past 5 years is 2016 was $62 billion, 2017 $60 billion, 2018 $64 billion, 2019 $64 billion, and 2020 was $64 billion, and last 12 trailing months was $64 billion as well. So as you can see, the company was not really affected by the
virus crisis and all the health crisis which we experience for past year around the world. I think the reason why the company is not affected by the health crisis is that company mostly deal with the food and provide food services, and this is something which really was not declined during the crisis, because obviously people had to eat something even during the pandemic. Let's take a look at the net income of the company. For 2016 was 1.3 billion, 2017 1.6 billion, 2018 1.8 billion, 2019 1.3 billion, 2020 1.7 billion, and past 12 trailing months 1.7 billion as well. So as you can see, not not much effect on net income from the virus and pandemic crisis which we experienced, like I said, for past year all over the world.
So right now, let's take a look at my shares of Archer-Daniels-Midland Company.
My shares of Archer-Daniels-Midland Company I started buying in March 13, 2020. I bought 63 shares for $33. And then March 20th, 2020, I bought 97 shares for $30.84. And all the rest, which you can see here, that's the dividends. So my total investment into the stock of Archer-Daniels-Midland Company was $5,305.33. And as of right now, those shares and this investment turned into $9,585.48, which is 80% increase in value over 1 year. So this is really a trophy. I really like this stock, and like I said many times, I will keep this stock for another 15 years because it will pay steady dividends and it's going to go up and up. And even if we have a situation similar to this which we have last year, I don't think that this stock ever is going to go down around 30-40%. Even if it goes, it won't be a permanent stay. So that would be a great time to load up, buy at the dip. Uh, so that is my approach towards this stock, and this is going to stay. I'm not touching this, and I'm really happy, and this is my ultimate goal in investing. This stock is here. I don't have to worry about it every day. I don't have to check it. It's growing, and I know that already after a year I'm 80% up. Of course, within the next couple of years might go down, might be just 50% up, might be just 20% up, but I don't really believe into this because overall world population is growing, this company is growing, looking for new customers, looking for a new product, and I think that the general direction is more revenue, more income for the company, and more dividends for the shareholders, all ultimately.
Archer-Daniels-Midland is a stress-free investing for me because I don't have to watch it anymore and I don't have to worry if this stock is going to do well. It will do well with 99% certainty. Most of my stocks in my portfolio are from similar category, and I'll make more video about those stocks. Those which are not in this category will eventually become stable because I will sell those unstable and I'll buy those stress-free. so I really don't have to watch my portfolio every couple of weeks. Do you have any stress-free stocks in your portfolio? Please let me know. Write down in the comments section below. And like always, if you like this video, hit the thumb up and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends on Twitter, on Facebook, all over social media. I really deeply appreciate your help with building this channel. And remember, I'm very simple investor and this is just my subjective opinion about this stock. Do your own research before you make any decisions. Maybe you find some very interesting information about this company. Please share them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching this short video. I really deeply appreciate your time spent with me. Have a great day.